Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. We're doing another video here. I'm doing a lot of videos because a lot of people want more videos. So this is a Corvette. This is a Corvette SCX Corvette C6R. They made a lot of C6Rs. Just so you know, when they do a mold for these cars, they're like $10,000, $20,000 to do a mold. Okay, and it's expensive to do a mold. Now this one, it's got a broken wing on it. Now the best way to fix your wings, if they come undone, I'm going to show you this. Now this has 5 screws. This one's going to take me a minute to get undone, but I want to show you this because it's real important that if you buy a car and your wing is broken, it's a really easy fix to the car. Okay, so this is a Corvette C6R. C6R. I always get that messed up. And they have 5 screws to hold this car on, all right? So we got to undo all these screws. Okay, we got to get them undone. Sorry about that, but you guys all love to hear me talk. All right, so here we got already all these screws out. Now I got to get, always have to get the last screw. Okay, what you can do is see the fin is basically attached here, and it goes into these little holes, okay? And what you have to do then is take a soldering iron on this side, okay, and you just touch it back inside the underneath here, and it will soften up the plastic of your fin, which will reattach that fin, okay? But notice the detail, okay, in the tempo printing. SCX is really up their game on making their cars look really beautiful, okay? Now, this one has a shaft. Now, this car cannot be digitized because it has a shaft here, okay? This is an older Corvette, okay? Some of these cars can be, and I meant to tell people about that, some of these cars can be digitized. This one cannot because it has a front shaft. Other ones have click-on front tires, okay? And this is an RK42 motor. Okay, and you want to make sure, again, your prongs. This is an older generation car, okay? And make sure your braids are up. And again, you can adjust your magnet here. This is what's really cool by doing this. See how that lifts up? See how I'm lifting that up? So that magnet now is really going to grip, and so your kids can race these and not come off the track as much. That's what's really cool about it, okay? So this is a Corvette, and this is reference A10152 GT Open, okay? And that's a Corvette, and that is A10152, and that's the Corvette. Oh, cool. That's neat. And that is the Corvette SCX. And have a great day.